Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Yeah. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lily who loved to travel. She had always dreamed of exploring the world and seeing new places. One day, she decided to go on a space mission to explore a far-off planet. As Lily's spacecraft traveled at high speeds through the vast expanse of space, she noticed something strange. The clocks on her spacecraft seemed to be running slower than usual. At first, she thought it was a malfunction in the spacecraft's timing system. But as she checked the time on her watch, she realized that her watch was running at the same speed as always. Confused and curious, Lily decided to investigate. She talked to the scientists back on Earth, and they explained to her the concept of time dilation. They told her that time dilation occurs when an object is moving at high speeds. As the object approaches the speed of light, time slows down for it relative to a stationary observer. So while Lily's watch was running at the usual speed, the clocks on her spacecraft were running slower because the spacecraft was moving at a very high speed. Lily was amazed by this discovery. She realized that time is not absolute, but rather, it is relative to the observer's motion. This concept changed the way she thought about the world and the universe. As she continued her space mission, Lily marveled at the wonders of the universe and the mysteries it holds. She realized that there is still so much to discover and explore, and she felt grateful for the opportunity to be a part of it. In the end, Lily returned to Earth with a new perspective on time and a greater appreciation for the vastness of the universe.